Hello, outdoor enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of comfort and durability with the heavy-duty camping chair for adults, designed to support an impressive 800 pounds thanks to its high-strength 22mm steel tubes, ensuring you can relax with peace of mind. This folding King Kong camping chair is not only robust but also incredibly portable, with unfolded dimensions of 38.2 by 37 by 22.04 inches and a convenient folded size of 32.9 by 8.5 by 8.5 inches, weighing just 13.5 pounds, making it a breeze to take on any adventure. Crafted from double-layered 600D Oxford fabric with sponge padding and diamond-shaped stitching, this chair offers unmatched stability and breathability for those long days outdoors. Plus, with two durable cup holders and a side storage pocket, you can keep your essentials close at hand while you enjoy your favorite outdoor activities. Setting up as a snap. Just take it out of the carrying bag, expand the frame, and you're ready to relax. Whether you're camping, picnicking, or fishing, this versatile chair is your perfect companion for any outdoor adventure. And for added peace of mind, it comes with a 12-month manufacturer's warranty against defects, so you can focus on enjoying the great outdoors. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.